Revamp your vocabulary. Unpacking, revamping. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unpack and understand a very dynamic word, revamping. You might have heard it in different contexts, but what does it truly mean? Let's dive into the world of transformations and see how revamping can be a part of not just physical changes but also metaphorical ones. Stay tuned to master the usage of this versatile term. Revamping refers to the process of renewing or improving something that is outdated or not functioning well. This can be anything from a simple object to an entire system. When you revamp something, you're not just making small changes. You're usually overhauling it to make it significantly better or more modern. Think of it like giving something a makeover. The term revamp actually comes from the world of shoemaking. It's a compound word formed from vamp, which refers to the upper part of a shoe, and the prefix re, meaning again. So, originally, to revamp meant to repair a shoe by renewing its vamp. Over time, its usage expanded beyond the cobbler's shop to any sort of improvement or restoration. Let's look at how to use revamping in everyday language. The old library is being revamped to include a cafe and more digital resources. After years of the same routine, he decided it was time to revamp his lifestyle for better health. The software update promises to revamp the entire user experience. Notice how revamping suggests a significant transformation. It's not just a paint job but a thorough renewal. When using revamping, make sure you're implying a substantial change. It's not for minor tweaks or adjustments. Also, it's often confused with reviving, but remember, reviving is bringing something back to life, while revamping is improving something that's still there, but outdated or ineffective. And there you have it, a complete look at revamping. We hope this video revamps your English vocabulary and adds a layer of depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to revamp your own learning methods if needed. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.